Hey Geek, so I'm here in Vientiane, Laos, and one thing that I don't think enough people talk about and when they're traveling here is pollution. And I'm not just talking about the pollution from the air, the dust, but I'm talking about other pollution like noise pollution. You know, it's a real thing, it's constant, and honestly, it's the one big thing that I really hate about certain parts of Southeast Asia and here in Vientiane, Laos. I really hate pollution. It just makes things so much harder. Like right now, I'm just trying to walk, you know, get some exercise. And man, it is really hard to walk in this environment. You gotta block your mouth, and even then, you can't stop inhaling all this stuff, you know. You have dust, you have gas, you have all types of air pollution here. I don't have a measure of it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a lot higher than other places like in the US. And also the noise pollution, it's like constant. It's kind of like something that you're gonna have to learn to just deal with it, honestly. And it's like sleeping at night with the noise pollution. It is really difficult. Even nowadays, it's difficult for me. So yeah, this is something I obviously did not know about before I came back here. And the last time I came was like 15 years ago, so things were different. You know, now there's a lot more people, you know, a lot more buildings, businesses, just cars, motorcycles, animals. So all of these contribute to the overall pollution. And unfortunately, at least right now, they just don't have things in place, or they're not putting money in places to address this pollution issue, both the physical pollution and the noise pollution. Obviously, the noise pollution, that's going to be really hard to control or limit. But the actual physical pollution, you know, there's many other larger cities all around the world, and they have ways to, you know, work with the pollution. And hopefully, that's something that Vientiane, Laos can do, because most of the other parts of Laos, there's a lot of nature. It's really beautiful. There's still so much available and way less pollution there. So if you are coming to Laos and Vientiane is your first place, you know, don't let this be what your normal standard is for the rest of Laos. You know, this is just the biggest city in Laos. It is the capital city, so it makes sense for there to be more pollution. But there's just a lot more out there in Laos. There's so much beautiful nature, mountains, fields. I really do love Laos. And hopefully the rest of the country will remain, you know, that way as long as possible. You know, I know as with more growth, we're gonna see more of this. But I love the nature here in Laos, and hopefully it stays that way. And hopefully, ideally, that they'll address the pollution problem here and just make things better for everyone, because I think that it just make everyone happy here and it also bring more people and families here. So those are my thoughts on pollution here in Vientiane, Laos. It's a thing, so if you're thinking everything's all good, well, here's the reality. It's not all good, but it is the reality, and I have hope that things will get better. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my video on my first day back here in Laos, I do have a video. I'll leave that up here or in the description area below.